In times of crisis and chaos, we come across individuals, groups and organizations who always seek for opportunities and they find a way not only to strive but to thrive. And the big question is, how do they make it happen? What really runs in their brain that we see the results that they actually brilliantly and effectively achieve each time? Well, the answer is it's all about taking powerful decisions and then backing them up with consistent, massive actions. If you have a go all-in mindset and back it up with an inspiring purpose, then you can convert every problem into a challenge and every excuse into a result. It's all about having a go all-in mindset, and it is as simple as that. In this program, I'm going to teach you how to formulate winning perspectives, create unwavering determination, and having a mindset to take every challenge head on. So get ready for a program which is packed with tools and techniques that will help you to challenge your limiting beliefs, create absolute, clear, laser-sharp focus, and declutter your brain. Get ready to create a go all-in mindset and transform your life forever.